Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email on Spotify. So let's begin. First of all, open your Spotify application. Now, here on the left top, click on this profile icon. Now tap on Add Account. Here, select Continue with Google. So choose any one of your another account. Here, select your birthday date and tap on Next. Here, select your gender. Click on I agree and hit Create Account. It will take some time. Here, select your artist that you like and tap on Done. So now this is the way how you change your email from in Spotify. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps.